Before you try telemedicine, stop for a second because most people get Teladoc Health wrong. The surprising truth is that Teladoc is not just an online doctor service. It's a full telehealth platform offering general medical care, mental health counseling, dermatology, and chronic condition management. Teladoc allows you to consult licensed doctors via phone, video, or app. You won't believe what happens next when users realize they can get prescriptions, lab orders, and follow-ups without leaving their home. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume telehealth is limited to minor issues. Teladoc provides comprehensive services including dermatology reviews, mental health therapy sessions, and even management of chronic conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. Using Teladoc is simple. Download the app, create an account, and select the type of care you need. For general medical care, you can speak with a doctor 24/7. For mental health, schedule sessions with licensed therapists. Teladoc can also coordinate with your local pharmacies to deliver prescriptions. The outside is convenience, no waiting rooms, flexible scheduling, and access to specialists that may be hard to reach locally. For employers, Teladoc can be part of health benefits, sometimes reducing out-of-pocket costs. The downside is cost. Some services are covered by insurance, but certain therapy or specialty visits can be expensive without coverage. Also, telehealth is not suitable for emergencies or complex medical procedures that require in-person evaluation. The surprising truth about Teladoc is that it can save time, reduce stress, and even help manage ongoing health conditions effectively. However, it's important to know when in-person care is necessary. If this honest review helped you understand Teladoc Health, subscribe for more healthcare service insights and telemedicine tips.